Are you tired of your creative skills being overlooked and undervalued? Do you feel like your talent is just going to waste in a world that doesn't quite understand your vision? You're definitely not alone in feeling this way. Millions of designers and creators just like you are ready to turn their passion, their artistic fire, into a profitable and sustainable business that fuels their creativity and their life. The world needs creative entrepreneurs, innovators, and visionaries who know their worth, who understand the value they bring to the table, and who aren't afraid to ask for it. This isn't about being a starving artist, struggling to make ends meet. It's about thriving, flourishing, and building a business that supports your dreams and aspirations. The leap from hobbyist to business owner, from dabbling in design to running a successful enterprise, is just a series of small, manageable steps that anyone can take. We'll break it down, demystify the process, into simple, actionable strategies that you can implement right away. You have the talent, the skill, the creative spark, and drive, that inner fire that pushes you to create. Now you need the roadmap, the plan, the guidance to turn that potential into reality. Join a community of business-minded designers, connect with like-minded individuals. Before we dive deeper, make sure you're part of our creative community. Hit subscribe, tap like, and ring the bell so you never miss a tip that could change your career. Join our network of design entrepreneurs, connect, share, and get inspired. Don't just watch, become a part of something bigger. Subscribe now, and let's build your dream together. The first step? Stop trying to be everything to everyone. Successful designers specialize, they find a niche. Your niche is where your passion, skills, and market demand meet. List what excites you, then match it to what people need. Do some quick research. Which industries are booming and need design help? Define your unique value in one sentence. What makes you stand out? Don't overthink it. Pick a direction and start building your portfolio around it. Create a few projects that showcase your skills in that area. Clarity attracts the right clients and sets you apart. Got your niche? Time to make it official. Name your business and register it. Sole proprietor or LLC, whatever fits. Open a business bank account to keep finances clear. Build a simple, professional website to showcase your best, niche-focused work. Tell the story behind each project. Show you solve real problems. Pick 1 or 2 social platforms where your clients hang out and post consistently. Present yourself as a pro, not a hobbyist. Set up basic tools: design software, contracts, invoicing, and project management. Simple systems give you confidence and structure. With your foundation set, you're ready to reach out to clients. Wondering how to get clients as a new designer? It's a common question, and the answer is more accessible than you might think. Start with your existing network. It's warmer and more receptive than cold outreach. Think about your friends, your family, and former colleagues. Let them know specifically what you do as a designer. Be clear about your skills. Explain the type of clients and businesses you help. This will help them identify potential referrals. Don't hesitate to ask directly if they know anyone who might need your design services. You'd be surprised how many people are willing to help. Offer value up front. Give something away for free. Perhaps a free design audit of their current website or marketing materials, or a helpful guide on branding or visual communication, or even some quick tips on improving their social media presence. Giving value first builds trust and rapport. It also positions you as a knowledgeable expert in your field. When those inquiries finally come in, make sure to wow them. Make a lasting impression. Respond to their messages quickly and professionally. Actively listen to understand their specific needs and goals, and clearly demonstrate how your design skills can solve their problems and achieve those goals. Frame your design services not as an expense, but as a strategic investment in their long-term success. Collect testimonials and positive feedback from clients as soon as you successfully finish a project. Showcase compelling before and after results of your design work. Share those testimonials and client feedback prominently on your website and across your social media platforms. This social proof will do a lot of the selling for you, building confidence in potential clients. Consistently show that you deliver real, measurable results for your clients, and new clients will naturally be drawn to your proven success. Let's talk money. It's a crucial aspect of running a successful creative business, and understanding how to price your services, manage your finances, and foster perpetual growth is essential for long-term sustainability and success. First and foremost, don't undervalue your skills. Your expertise, creativity, and time are valuable assets, and you deserve to be compensated fairly for them. Research industry rates to get a sense of the going market prices for similar services. This will give you a baseline understanding of what clients are typically willing to pay. However, don't just price based on the hours you work. Instead, focus on the value you deliver to your clients. Consider the impact your work has on their business, the problems you solve, and the results you achieve. Package your services for clarity and confidence. Offering bundled packages can make it easier for clients to understand your pricing and the scope of work involved. Use your business account for all transactions. This will help you keep your personal and business finances separate, making it easier to track income and expenses. And set aside money for taxes, about 25 to 30% of each payment. This will prevent any surprises when tax season rolls around and ensure you have enough funds to cover your tax obligations. Track expenses meticulously to maximize deductions. Every business-related expense you track can potentially lower your tax liability. Keep learning and expanding your skill set. Follow industry blogs, take courses, attend workshops, and stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies in your field. And join communities like DesignLemonade.com. Connecting with other creatives can provide valuable support, inspiration, and networking opportunities. Invest in your growth to stay sharp and competitive. Continuous learning and development are essential for maintaining a competitive edge in the ever-evolving creative industry. Now take one real action this week to move your business forward. Buy your domain to establish your online presence. Create a portfolio piece to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Or reach out to your network to explore potential collaborations and opportunities. Remember, progress is one step at a time. Every small action you take contributes to your overall growth and success. You have what it takes to build a fulfilling, profitable business. Believe in yourself, your abilities, and your potential to create something amazing. The world is waiting for your talent. Go for it. Embrace the opportunities that come your way, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there and share your unique gifts with the world.